Hey, sisters, all of you faith based entrepreneurs out there, how many of you have been working hard, pouring out your heart into your business this month? I know I have. Let's be real. When we are called to be about the Father's business and step into the marketplace representing Jesus Christ, it is not easy. In fact, it can be one of the hardest callings you'll ever live out. Why? Because we're no longer serving ourselves or our flesh. We're serving the one true God. And guess what? The enemy does not like that. He will throw 5,000 distractions and challenges your way to pull you down. Can you relate to this? What's your biggest challenge this week? I want you to drop that in the chat so I can be praying for you. For me, the past few weeks have been very heavy. My mom is terminally ill, and we've been working through her estate. And then out of nowhere, I received a big IRS letter requiring all kinds of documentation. On top of that, the commercial building sale I was working on fell through. Add in family tension and sheer exhaustion, and honestly, I was like, Lord, where are you? What have you done with my God? But God reminded me that His Word is always where I can find my strength and my clarity. Today, I want to encourage you, sister, with two scriptures from Psalm 119, verse 37. Turn away my eyes from looking at worthless things and revive me in your way. Such a powerful reminder. If we want to be healed and rise above the challenges that we're facing, we have got to fix our eyes on Him. Not Netflix, not endless scrolling, not distractions that keep us from our calling. Second verse, Psalm 119, verse 50. This is my comfort in my affliction, for your word has given me life. Sisters, this is it. His word is our life, our solution, our direction. Yet how often do we try 55 different things before opening our Bible? I mean, God is saying, hey, I've already given you what you need. Come back to my word. Do you agree? If so, just shout it out and say amen in the chat. Here's the truth. When we get back into His word, that's when we start to hear those God memos, those gentle whispers that tell us what to do, to guide us, and when to do it, and why we're doing it. If this word has encouraged you today, don't just stop here. I want to invite you into something deeper. Join me in the Lydia Blueprint. It's a 7-day spirit-led experience where you'll discover what God is truly saying to you about your calling in business and in life. All you have to do is click the link below, take that step, and let's walk this out together. Because you are not meant to carry this alone. You are meant to build with clarity, confidence, and kingdom purpose. I'm Angie Nuttle with the VIP Center for Business Women, and I can't wait to see you inside the Lydia Blueprint. Have a blessed day. Don't forget, share this with a friend, like and subscribe, and you'll get great information and great encouragement and inspiration for your spiritual journey, but also your faith-based business. Have a wonderful rest of the day.